Hey everybody, it's time to announce the winner of our Post Tenebras Love Bible Raffle number 3. Just as a recap, these Bible raffles are for the Rice family, as TJ, Titus, their son, is in the NICU. He's growing, doing better, but he's still going to be in the NICU for about another month. So these last few raffles are meant to help supplement the income of the Rice family while they're traveling back and forth. So this raffle was for this R.L. Allen Yellow NASB reader. It's actually a first edition from Royal Youngblood. We had a lot of participation in this particular raffle, which I'm so thankful for. Thank you to everyone who donated. Thank you to the person who donated this edition to be raffled, and I'm so thankful we're able to help out the Rice family in this way. So, who won the Bible? I'm so excited to announce the winner of this Bible is Alicia Kim. Congratulations on this beautiful Bible. Just to let you guys know the way I do a raffle, in case you haven't seen the previous videos, I use an Excel spreadsheet and I put one name per dollar spent. So if you spent $10, you get 10 squares on that Excel column, and all of the donations end up in one column, and in the next column I use an index function, a rand between addition to the index function, to pick a completely random winner. So I don't write anything on paper anymore. I just use an Excel spreadsheet. So just so you're aware that that's how the raffles are done. Again, many thanks to the donor of this Bible, allowing us to raffle it off for the benefit of the Rice family. And thank you all for your participation. And stay tuned, we have 2 more Bible raffles, and I'll give you a preview of the next one. Raffle number 4 is this amazing rebind from Buckeye Bible Rebinds. This is a MacArthur study Bible given as a donation from the good folks at Thomas Nelson. There'll be a video posted about this raffle number 4 right after this announcement video posts. So whether you donate or you don't donate, please keep the Rice family in your prayers. Again, congratulations, Alicia. You got a new amazing Bible. And thank you all for watching. Take care and God bless.